Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to invite members uh, to your server on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click here, and now here you will find invite. Click on it. Here as you see, click share link, and here as you see, just choose anyone to share it, and that's it. It will be shared, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. It's helpful for you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.